My name is Patricia Lutz, and I currently live in Fresno, California. Well, in my previous employment, I was an energy consultant for Southern California Edison Company, and I worked for them for 15 years. I was aware of energy saving measures that you could do in your house. We had built this home in Fresno that was quite large, and it was difficult to cool it. I had actually 4 air conditioning units on the house. I wanted to pre-cool it when the cool air was cool in the morning. And I knew that a whole house fan would be something that would help this large home that we had. I got a flyer in the mail and I reached out to Chris. You installed a QuietCool 7.0 Stealth whole house fan. They have this handheld feature, or else you can mount it onto the wall, which is where I keep it all the time. You can have from 1 to 12 hours of pre-cooling your home, and you have a high, medium, and low. It's very quiet. You can barely tell that it's even on. Just in the short time that I had it installed, which was in the month of August, I've been able to pre-cool my house from 7 to 10 degrees cooler than it was when I woke up at 5 in the morning to open up the house. I would get up early in the morning when it was still cool, open up the windows, and it would pre-cool my house. So it wasn't so hard on the air conditioner, and it wasn't running all day long when we had those hot days here in Fresno. So I definitely recommend Tyson Energy. The staff is great. They came, they installed it. They left no debris behind them. They were friendly, and they arrived at the time they said they would. And that's really important in today's day and age.